The following is a Dave Madson Classics video. It may contain content, language, flashing lights, and or loud noises, which may be considered unsuitable for younger viewers. Viewer discretion is advised. Dave Madson Entertainment Inc. presents Dave Madson Classics.
Brought to you in living color.
Jewish?
On NBC.
Christian. Huh? Christian. Oh, yeah, whatever.
The following program is brought to you in living color on NBC.
Are you a peacock or a train? Don't you call me a train or I'll kick you in the caboose. Christian. Muslim.
This has been a Dave Madson Entertainment Inc. production.